Greetings SEO enthusiasts. If you are interested in boosting your SEO rankings by harnessing the power of schema markup, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how you can use schema markup to improve your SEO rankings. I'm going over all the tips that you need in order to succeed. Let's dive in. Schema markup is a type of microdata that was developed by Google, Bing, Yahoo and Yandex. It's a code that is added to the HTML and it helps search engine understands the content, translates website content into a language that search engine can easily understand. Of course, enhances content presentations in search results leading to a high CTR. Now, you may be asking yourself, how does this help me improve my SEO strategy and rankings? Here's how schema markup can help you. Schema markup provides an advantage in three critical areas vital for successful search engine optimization. Number one, improve search engine crawling and indexing. Number two, increase visibility and click-through rates with rich snippets. Number three, drives targeted traffic matching content with relevant queries. You have now been introduced to the immense benefits offered by schema markup. Let's explore further where it plays a crucial role. It has a versatility across content types. The attractiveness of schema markup lies in the versatility across different types of contents. For example, I am here at Google Structured Data Markup, and you can see you can use for articles and blogs, for highlighting author's review, rating publication dates. You can use it for local business details, locations, business hours, events, display tickets, locations, ticket info right into the search results, recipes, showcase ingredients, cooking times, nutrition info, rating difficulty. Of course, and products, highlights pricing, availability and review. The next thing I'm going to show you will help you to implement a schema markup in your SEO strategy. If you don't use this tool, your chance of success are literally almost zero. So let's go over that. Google Structured Data Markup Helper, user-friendly tool to generating schema markups. This tool, as you can see, guides you through tagging elements on your page. Let's see how you can generate HTML code for schema implementations. Here, simply choose a schema type and insert the page URL where you wish to apply the schema. So I've chosen this in products and I click on start tagging. To generate tags, either highlight or click an element within the page, then choose attribute for that element from the drop down. After completing your selection, hit create HTML and tool will produce HTML structured data reflecting your choices. Of course, if this output meets your expectation, you can apply the schema markup to your website using your CMS or by integrating it directly into your source code. Once search engine detects the modifications you have implemented, you should begin to observe the benefits in the search engine results manifested as rich snippets. Now there is another tool we can use to help us create a custom schema markup. This tool is a really good tool that you can use to create a custom schema markup without you having to do a lot of work. So let's see how you can leverage Google Gemini, which was formerly called as Google Bard, for custom schema markup. This is an AI-driven tool to help you generate bespoke unique schema markups, and it can be tailored to your specific requirements. Now I'm going to show you how you can implement and create a schema markup with Google Gemini. I'm going to show you a demo for a local schema markup. So I am on the website schemas.org where I have opened the dentist section, and you see there are a lot of properties and descriptions here, and which all becomes little difficult to generate a schema. So what I'm going to do is I have created a prompt which I'm going to post in Gemini, and it's a prompt for a local dentist, and you will see in few seconds it will create the JSON schema for me. All I have to do is replace these example URLs, dental practice name and contact number, phone number, customer service, and all of these here. And once I am satisfied with these, I can just copy this and use into my favorite CMS or the CMS which I am going to use. Once Google crawls, you can see that it will start reflecting in the search results leading to higher CTR. Now what happens if you implement schema markup? That's really important to understand. So let's go over that. Rich snippets, the reward of implementing schema markup. Enhance search engine listings with additional features like rating, images. Improves click-through rates by providing key info in search results. Establish credibility and attract more clicks. Now the last tip I'm going to share with you is really important in order to succeed with the schema markup, and that is focusing on Google rewarded schemas and not getting distracted. Prioritizing schemas that leads to rich snippets and enhanced listing. Concentrate on reviews, product, recipe, event schemas. Avoid unnecessary schemas that don't impact SEO performance and are not relevant to your business. Now you know how to implement schema markup to get more traffic and enhance your rankings. But in order to succeed with SEO, you need to know how to do SEO in 2024, because a lot of things changed over the course of last year. And if you don't implement the latest strategy, then you will get left behind and don't succeed with the SEO. For this reason, I created a separate video about my SEO strategies for 2024 that you can copy and implement for yourself. If you use these new strategies I'm going to share with you in the video you see on the screen right now, then you will succeed and rank number one in the search results. So go and watch this video now. See you in the next one. Cheers.